Guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add YouTube videos to your Canva project. So yeah, without any further ado, let's dive right in. So what you want to focus on is you have to look at the left corner. Here's all these options over here, like the design, elements, upload. So let's scroll all the way down, and all you have to go is in this app plus icon. Let's tap in there. And here you can see many options, like you can add audio from here. So all you have to go further down, like scroll all the way down until you see the option that says embed, which is this one. So yeah, all you have to do is tap in there. And here you can see there are many options like Spotify, TED, SoundCloud. So since we're going to add video from the YouTube, let's click in there, this option. So this is only the idea of how it's going to look. So let's say you wanna add specific video, YouTube video. So what you're gonna do now is you have to copy the link of the YouTube video that you wanna add to the Canva. So I've already copied. So the copied link, you have to paste it over here. Let's paste and let's tap in that add to design. And there you go. This is how you add YouTube video to your Canva project. So okay, right now my I have this A4 size file, but you can add it to the YouTube video, like the size of the YouTube video and stuff, like in the landscape mode. So this is how you add YouTube video to your Canva. It's very simple. You can add any of the YouTube video you'd like. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope this video was helpful. If so, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next video.